I thank, well, the governor's representative has left. I thank the honorable speakers, the chairman, Chief Honorable Ozodnobi, and Mekaneuno. Igwe, I salute you and all the dignitaries here. Today, I give this goodwill message on behalf of my traditional rulers here present and those absent. I speak for the welfare of Igwe generally in the state, generally in the country. Now, traditional rulers in 1979, their functions were removed from the Constitution. And since then, traditional rulers have been functioning without proper government recognition and backing. And I believe that it's a loss to the country because traditional rulers are the ones on ground and the people are still believing and depending on us in security, in tradition, and otherwise. Now, to give you an example, when the Europeans came, they sought the help of traditional rulers. That was why they appointed warrant chiefs, even in communities that didn't have traditional rulers, because they knew that only the traditional rulers, even at that time, when there was no government like we have now, were the ones through whom they would reach the people. Now that has been prevalent from time immemorial and still relevant even till today. Despite the removal of the functions of traditional rulers from the Constitution, the people still believe in us. They still come to us in times of trouble, in times of trials and tribulations. Therefore, that relevance, whoever suggested and whoever agreed to remove the functions of the traditional rulers from the Constitution made great mistakes, because this is all about, it is deprivation. Total deprivation, not just for the traditional rulers, but for the masses. Because if you look at the traditional rulers, use Anambra State for an example. We, the traditional rulers, come from all walks of life. We have retired army generals, doctors, engineers. For instance, in my committees, the one that represents us for media and communication is a retired media consultant. So it is in various aspects of our lives and disciplines. Therefore, our functions are undermined, underestimated, and underused. So I put it to our people, the legislators, that it is very, very necessary to restore the functions of the traditional rulers and give us constitutional roles so that we may do better jobs and engage properly in the governance of the nation generally. It is to the best interest of the people, from the governors down to the man and woman in the grassroots. It will be a much greater service to the people. I thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We may now